Let's connect our divine inheritance to the pillars of Oshun. This one is healing, which is restoration and dissolution. Emotional endurance reflects the ability to recover. We are uniquely positioned to have emotional endurance because of what our ancestors went through. We therefore have the ability to quickly recover, to adapt. Healing dissolves accumulated pressure and imbalance. Restoration brings a person back into alignment with the divine intelligence within them. And this is where inherited resilience becomes intentional healing. When we tap into that, we are able to not only heal ourselves, but we can ensure that those who come after us do not experience what we have experienced in this lifetime and what our ancestors before us experienced. And so it's a multidimensional act of healing when we connect with our divine intelligence. Fertility and abundance. Creative intelligence reflects generative power. And generative power means the ability to produce, create, and multiply results. The ability to produce under pressure reflects Oshun's abundance. We are perfectly situated to be abundant in all things, not only by our connection to our ancestors who paved roads untold for us, not only by our connection to the Most High God, creator of all things, the source of all things from whence wealth emerges, but also to our connection with Oshun, fresh water, the building block of all creation. Most living things are abundantly water more than any other thing. We actually have an internal supply of Oshun, an internal connection to her. Ideas, solutions, and innovation are all forms of fertility. And when you are aligned, this becomes situated in creation and creativity. The power of sweetness and attraction. All good things originate from God. Oshun's sweetness maintains alignment with all of those good things. Our practice with Oshun allows us to experience greater aspects of God's creation. Emotional intelligence supports relational harmony. This connects to our interpersonal relationships, the way we experience other people, and the way we are experienced by other people. This sensitivity allows a person to move with awareness in social spaces. This creates attraction, and it also creates alignment with people and ultimately opportunity so that we have greater access sooner than we would if we were not connected to Oshun. Her sweetness stabilizes our connections to God and others. The power of transformation, disorder, dysfunction, disappointment, dis-ease, all reflect misalignment. And lack is not the nature of God. Neither is it the domain of Oshun. Think about all the life that a droplet of river water contains. Being connected to water is to be connected to source, is to be connected to untold potential for growth. You have the ability to expand. Everything you do, the ability to become better, and it can always be greater later by virtue of your understanding of your connection with Oshun. Lack is not part of what you are meant to experience. Through Oshun, a person can transform their thinking. A person can realign with better decisions and better conditions. Adaptive thinking, like what our ancestors had, becomes conscious transformation. We choose to adapt, we choose to advance, we choose to become faster, to become better, to know more, to do more, to be more solution oriented. This is how we transform. This is how we align with Oshun and apply it in our everyday lives. Adaptive thinking is conscious transformation. A person learns to recognize thought and behavior intentionally, and this turns survival into strategy.